Hi kids, so I promised you a quick clip on reading the gradient of a line by inspection. So by looking at the line, and here are some past paper questions on this topic. It's just a couple of quick ones and they are from the Edexcel specification. So for the first one, it's giving me a line, the graph of a line, and it's asking me to work out the equation of the line. So what I can do is I can remember the formula y equals 2mx plus c, and I can remember that from this formula I need the m and I need the c. So that's what I'm looking for. So the m is the gradient or the slope, and the c is the y-intercept. Okay, so the slope of this line, I'm going to choose any 2 points on this line. I'm picking this one, which is 2, 0, and another point where the line has a nice whole number point on it. So this one, which is 1 minus 3. And I'm going to work the gradient as rise over run. So rise is how many are you going in a vertical direction, which is 3, and run, how many are you going in a horizontal direction to get from one point to the other. And horizontally we're going 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. I'm checking my line is going up, so this means it's a positive gradient, so the gradient is positive 3. Now for the intercept, all you have to do is check where does the line cross the y-axis, and it's at the point where the y-coordinate is minus 6. So all you have to do is put that in, and this is your answer, y equals to 3x minus 6. That's the equation of this line. Let's have a look at another one. So this is a 2 marker. We want to find the equation of the straight line with a gradient 3 that passes through point A. So again, we have to refer to the gradient, or m, which is rise over run. And I suppose the easiest way to do this would probably be to draw the line using this idea of gradient. So if you want your gradient to be 3, that means you need to know how many you're going up and how many you're going across. This 3, I could write it as a fraction as 3 over 1. And this is telling me that I'm going 3 vertically and 1 horizontally to get from one point to the next on this line. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go down because that looks like I've got more space. So I'm going 1, 2, 3 down, 1 across. That means I've got 1 point here. I can do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 1. I've got another point here. All I have to do now is draw my line, making sure it goes through all points. I'm going to adjust mine a little bit because it clearly doesn't. Okay, here we go. So now I'm ready to give an answer because I've got everything I need. So the gradient of the line, first of all, I remember y equals 2mx plus c. Then I remember that I need to give them the m and I need to give them the c. So I know that y is equal to, they already give me the gradient, so that's 3. And the intercept, I figured it out by drawing the line, and that is minus 2. And there you go, you're done. I'm going to do another quick one on parallel lines, ensuring that 2 lines are parallel. Okay, so bear with me and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.